there's my feet. But yeah, this is me, LKS, etc. here to bring you guys my setup again. If you've seen my first setup, it looks a little bit different now. Not too many changes, but I just wanted to bring it to you because I made a little bit of changes to it. So let's get right into it. Plus, I will be bringing you a new setup by the end of the week because I'm getting I'm getting a new microphone. So that yeah, I'm getting a new microphone. So I just wanted to bring it to you. I want to show you the new setup, and I'm getting my capture card, my new HD PVR. My fault. Should be coming Friday because my old one was messed up and had to send it back. So let's get right into it. So I moved my PS3 from up here, from down there to up here. No, from right here to up here. Then I put my cords and stuff in there, and then now I got my gaming stuff. The one thing that I didn't bring you guys last time was these headphones. They're Sony stereo headphones, and the model is MDR-XT100. These are awesome headphones. They obviously broke, so I had to fix them, put some tape on them. But these are like so high quality, it's like it's not even funny, dude. I use them all the time. Put those back over there. Next thing is my controllers just sitting over here. Then I got my computer, and then I moved my DVD thing from up down here, up there. Ooh, what's this game doing out of its case? Oops. I had to put it in its case after. But and then I got some Gatorade over here because I gotta stay alive when I'm playing a game. I moved my stereos more towards the edge, and then I got my computer right here. Nothing changed with that. Then I got my game right here. Nothing's changed with that either. Then I got this new chair. It's a rolly chair. So yeah, that's just a little bit of that's just my new setup. Nothing really that big. I got this custom made now. It changed now. It's red with blue. And if you saw my first one, it's on the main channel. So my first one, it was black with white right there, and then got it made, custom made. So now it's that. So that's basically it. And thanks for watching this video. That's my mic. Thanks for watching this video. It's like my fault. It's like a thing you can put right there, and you can hear all the sound coming out. And you can talk. You don't even have to have it on your ear. But other than that, yeah, I'm spinning around in my chair. And LKS, etc. I'm out.